Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to monitor activity logs in BoldSign. The activity log feature records a comprehensive history of user activities within your BoldSign organization account. In BoldSign, only account administrators can view, use, filter, and track user interactions, facilitating efficient monitoring of user activities. Each log entry stores details like the user's name, email address, timestamps, event category, specific action type, and other relevant information. Logs are retained for the past 30 days, allowing account admins to review user activity within a recent time frame conveniently. Consider a scenario where HR managers oversee a team of associates handling various tasks within the organization's account. Manually tracking each individual's activity can be time-consuming and inefficient. This is where BoldSign's activity log feature becomes crucial. This feature enables the HR manager to efficiently monitor the team's overall activities, gaining valuable insights into the completion of critical tasks and user trends. This allows HR managers to effectively oversee and manage their teams without needing to individually check in with each associate. Let me demonstrate how the HR manager would do that. First, I access the BoldSign application page and expand the Settings menu. I then choose Business Profile to navigate to the Business Profile page. Only the account administrator can access the Business Profile settings. As an account admin, I can monitor the activity logs. To do this, I navigate to the Activity Logs section. Here, a list of all user activities is displayed in a table format. The table includes columns for user, also known as timestamp, event category, event action, target resource, and details. Say the administrator wants to view the details of the first activity. To do this, click the View link, and the Details pane containing the details will be displayed. The alternative way of viewing the activity details is by clicking on the specific activity. If you want to locate a specific activity from a list of 100 activities, you can use the filters displayed. You can filter by date range, event category, event action, or user selection. For example, selecting the date filter option enables you to choose options like today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, or a custom range. You can choose the custom range. Select your desired date range, and click Apply to see the filtered activity log entries. This will help you locate the activity easily. That is all about how to monitor activity logs in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.